Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got a new project quad. We got another flipper. This was a Honda 300ex. Yeah, so the guy had this sitting for over 2 years. Yeah, he said it ran. It just idling really high and everything. So yeah, it's just been sitting. It had no gas in it. Put fresh gas in it. Yeah, I mean it turns over. So we're gonna try to get it started. Yeah, this tire got air in it. That one's debeated. This got air in it. Might just get some new tires for it. Yeah. So, oh yeah, look at this. That's wild. That ain't coming off ever. So, if you ever gotta replace that, that's wow. It's gonna be a headache. But yeah. Pretty excited. I just sold the Yamaha Warrior 350. I'll put a couple pictures up before and after, and like a couple of videos of it, like a co-star and everything, because that thing just ran like noon. I think it looked really good too. Yeah, but this has the bumper and everything on it. Hey, like I said, I got the plastics, the seats, everything's in my truck. It's just been like this. So yeah, I'm probably gonna take off this exhaust, paint it, coat it up, and I'm probably gonna get some different plastics. So the ones that it had are really rough, they're like broken, zip tied up together. So I might just find some good condition ones. Like I said, if I don't have to paint it, even better. But if I gotta paint it, it's all right. I'll do it. I'll do the same thing like I did with the other one. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. Like I said, I'm just trying to get in the let me say the rhythm. I'm gonna just say that because I don't know. Like I'm just trying to get in the rhythm. I'm just trying to get in the. I'm just trying to get used to flipping, you know, four-wheelers. So I love doing this. So I don't know. It's just something I've been loving to work on. So, and they're really simple to work on. This is my first Honda four-wheeler. I've always had Warriors. That's not mine, it's my dad's, but I've always had Warriors, the Warrior 350s. So I'm pretty excited to get onto a different platform. I heard these are pretty good and reliable. So I'm pretty excited to work on it. Yeah, so first thing I could tell off, like the sign was a bad sign, was look at this, barely any connection, things rusted. Yeah, so yeah, I mean I'm not gonna do nothing to it right now. This is just the first video just to introduce it. Yeah, I'm just gonna look it over. Yeah, once I start getting everything together, the plastics and everything, I'll really pick this up. Just wanted to introduce you guys to a new flip. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in the corner for a little bit. I gotta work on a customer's Warrior. He wants me to work on it. It had no spark. So yeah, it has no spark or something like that. So I'm gonna go over it. So yeah, when I start working on that, I'll pick it up. All right. This is another update on the Honda 300 TRX. Alright, so the first thing I took care of right off the bat that I seen that was bad, took care of these wire ends. They were all like split up. They weren't even good connections. So redid the ends to the battery. Fresh battery on there. I went through the spark plug, cleaned up the spark plug. I went through the carburetor. The main jet was clogged up. There was no fuel getting through it. The inside of it was really dirty. And yeah, I cleaned up everything on that. And I adjusted the idle, and now she starts right up. Yeah, she's sounding good. Before it was just cranking over. Or actually no, it was just clicking, and smacked the starter a few times. Now she's working good. So now if I have that problem in the future, I'll just change out the starter. But yeah, at least I got the four-wheeler started. I can start putting it back together now. I can start worrying about the plastics now. I don't know what color I'm gonna go with. Should I go with the factory red, or should I change the color? I'm gonna change the seat also. Yeah, what do you guys suggest I should do on the color? Should I keep it red, or should I do another color? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, I'm glad that I finally got this thing running. I mean, it's just one less thing I gotta worry about. So, but yeah. Alright, so got mostly everything, not mostly everything, but I got like the air box together, got everything together. The rear brake works, make sure that that worked right. The clutching gauge is real good. Only issue is this front is garbage. I opened this, it's full of dirt, so I'm just gonna replace it. Not even gonna try to mess with it. Hazard brakes already, so it doesn't go well. There we go. Doesn't go nowhere. And I guess this one's different. It has this thing, so like when you press the brake, and it slides up. When you press the brake going forward, it slides the other way. But yeah, pretty good. I think I gotta tighten these up a little bit. You see, there's like a little bit of play. I was moving them up and down. It looks like I tighten up a little bit more. But yeah, do that. Buy some new grips for it. Trying to think what else I need to do. But yeah, for the most part, at least runs today. That was my goal. Is at least try to get it running. But yeah, let's see how it starts now. It needs a little bit of oil, I noticed. But sounds good. After not running for almost 2 years. Yeah, sounds pretty good. I mean, the oil still looks pretty new. I'm probably just gonna change it, put some new oil in there. I don't know when was the last time it was. I don't know. The guy told me it was sitting for a while, so I might as well just change it, cause. But yeah, I'll keep you updated on what I do next with this. I'll put up some videos and pictures of the other Yamaha Warrior. I just finished a couple months ago. I sold it. It's my first project. Yeah, it went from an ugly forward to something really nice. So yeah, I think started up like nothing too. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. All right. Let's see how quick this thing starts. It's like dead cold start. Cold start. Cold start. Cold start. Cold start. Man, this thing starts way quicker than mine, man. All right, so this is a few days after. Ordered some parts that the 300ex would need. Got some new grips from Amazon. Got this air filter. It didn't have nothing on it, so yeah. So I also got new brake lever. I mean, I just a master cylinder brake lever, whatever, for the front. Yeah, it needed it. The one that it has now is full of dirt. It doesn't work at all, so I figured it'd be better to replace it. And I also got a new starter, because this starter sometimes it just gets stuck and doesn't want to activate. Now it'll probably turn on. Like, it's just bipolar, so it really just works whenever it wants to. Yep. So it works just whenever it really wants to. But yeah, I'm gonna put on the grips, start bleeding the front brake master cylinder. I'm gonna call that front brake master cylinder. I'm not 100% sure what it's called, but I'm pretty sure it's that. Step on the grips, put on the air filter, and yeah, put on the starter. So all right, guys, this is the next day. Have everything together. Got the front brakes working now. The front brake cylinder, the front brake master cylinder. Now it doesn't move no more. Going up front. I got the back ones bled. It's chilling now. So yeah, she's ready for the new owner. I'm gonna probably post it up for sale today. Yeah, she's ready to go. Let me give you a cold start. Cold start. With the choke on too. first Honda ATV. It's a Honda 300 trx300ex. It's a 99 version. I drove it around here. I drove it in the street a little bit. But pretty good. I mean, nothing compares to my Raptor. I love my Raptor. But, yeah, this is gonna be it for today's video. This is the Project TRX300. It went from this to this. Yeah, she's looking a lot better. Ready for the next one to enjoy her. Yeah. I'll pick it up in the next video.